This lesson's about rational numbers. You're going to learn to identify and simplify rational numbers. But first, let's do a little review. Earlier in the year, we talked about natural or counting numbers. Now, I refer to these as Elmo numbers because Elmo, when asked to count, always starts with 1. So natural counting numbers are numbers 1 or greater. After that are whole numbers. The only difference between natural numbers and whole numbers is that whole numbers includes 0. After that we have integers. Now integers are whole numbers, 0, 1, 2, and their negative counterparts, or their opposites. So -1, -2, -3, and so on. Now we get to rational numbers. Rational numbers are any number or numbers that can be expressed in the form of a fraction where the denominator does not equal 0. If the denominator did equal 0, it wouldn't be a number. If you put it in a calculator, it would just come up as an error message. So here are some examples of rational numbers. 1/3, -2 7/8, 0.47, and -117.85. Those are all rational numbers. Now, you could have a number in the form of a fraction that could be simplified down to an integer or a whole number or a natural or counting number. And we're going to do a few examples about that. So here's a couple numbers, and what I'd like you to do is pause the movie right now and identify these numbers. Are they natural or counting? Are they whole? Are they integers, or are they rational? Once you've classified each, then go ahead and replay. Okay, this is the breakdown of where these numbers would be. 0.55 and -2 3/10, those are both rational numbers. Now we identified rational numbers as any number that can be written as a fraction. 0.55 can be written as a fraction, and that can be simplified down. It could be written as 55 over 100, and then simplified from there to 11/20ths, I believe. Actually, no. Yes, 11/20ths. -10 over 2, that can be simplified down to -5. So that's why it's in the integer category. And then 412 is a natural or counting number. Now, any number that is natural or counting is also going to be whole, is also going to be an integer, and is also going to be rational. So it goes from the inside out. If it's a whole number, it'll be an integer, but not a counting number. If it's an integer, it's going to be rational, but not a whole number. Just to give you a preview of what we're doing next, but not during this lesson. So we have natural counting numbers, whole numbers, integers, rational. The next thing we're going to be talking about in the next chapter will be irrational numbers, which are part of the real number set.